I was working my Figma and realized I couldn't find my constraint settings. So I realized I've created a frame over here. So here you can see the different objects inside of the frame. And I was trying to set the constraint of this one. This could be a menu button, your logo, or anything. Or if you're one of these objects, you want to set the constraint settings in your Figma. But I realize that you're not seeing the constraint settings over here in the position settings, in the properties. So what you do is that make sure that first of all, what you want to set the constraint of is inside of a frame. If it's not inside of a frame, you're not going to find the constraint settings. Okay. Then you go into object editing mode by double clicking and then going inside it. So here to find the constraint settings, you see this button here. When I hover over it, the written constraints. So you just tap on this button and then you just click on that button and then the constraint settings shows. So that is simply how you find your constraint settings in your Figma.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, and make sure you share the videos with your friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.